Jyothsna Phanija is a poet, a fiction writer, an editor, and an essayist. Her first book of poem called Ceramic Evening was published in 2016. Her short stories, poems, and other research articles have found their place time and again in print and online literary magazine. She got her PhD in English Literature from EFLU Hyderabad, and currently she's teaching English at ARSD College of University of Delhi. Her focus areas include post-colonial literature, postmodern poetry, disability literature, and literary theory. She had also the honor of receiving the Presidential Award. And we at LitFest are very excited to have her at the panel titled Disabled Literature, Creative Writing, Pedagogy, and Politics of Disability Representation, where she'll be joined by other panelists like Dr. Himchandran Kara and Mr. Bhupati P.